Hi, it's Liz from Stockport Sling Library. I'm just going to do you a quick video of how to use the Weego twin carrier. So these are generally suitable for newborn twins up to a combined weight of 30 pounds. So that will depend a little bit on how big your little ones are. And also because they're both on your front, it generally probably starts to get a bit uncomfy about that point. So it has a waistband, which you will click in around your waist. So you hear a nice click. There we go. Now it has various popper adjustments on here, which reduce the little height of this panel bit. Now this is on the longest at the moment, which for the demo dolls I'm using is ideal. Obviously you might need to adjust that up or down depending on your little one's size. We've also got these bits here are dual pads that clip on, so they can be just washed and stuff. You are going to basically put it on first and then add the babies in. Now, it goes on over your shoulders like that, and there is the chest clip. Now, if you're like me and have very short arms, it usually makes more sense to clip that in first, and then it slides up and down so you can get it to a comfortable place on your back. So then it's pre-clipped in, and you can put your head in like that, and you don't have to worry about trying to reach behind your back to do it. Then you can pull these straps here to get it so it's tight and comfy and just where you want to be. And then we are ready to put some babies in. Now, we would always say start with, you'll have one twin that's probably slightly grumpier than the other and one that's more chilled. Start with the chilled one because you can get them in and settled, and then the little bit of stretching over them you have to do, the chilled one is less likely to complain than the other one. So my babies, because they're demo dolls, are very chilled. So here's one little baby. So what you need to do, there's an inner pouch and an outer pouch in this, and in the inner one there's little leg holes, so you can guide your baby's leg in that side and in that side, and you can sit them in this little pouch so their legs are either side. And then, now my demo dolls are a bit tubby, so actually this bit's a bit of an effort. You zip this bit up, and then it also has Velcro, and it also has a little buckle clip which has an adjustment you can do. Now put your little one's hands up by their face because they will like that. So they can got easy access to their hands if they need it. Now there is an outer pouch as well, but I'm going to leave that like that while I do the second baby so you can see what's going on. So baby number 2, you're going to repeat exactly what you did with baby number 1, and you're going to put one leg in this side. Now this is obviously a little bit trickier because you're leaning around this baby, and then if you feel, and you can get that, and then if you check, you should have both legs in nicely. And then exactly the same, you're going to zip up. 2 seconds, Chloe, just stay there a minute. You're going to zip it up, and then you're going to do the Velcro. Finish that last bit of the zip up, and then you'll do the buckle. Yeah, the baby's in the sling. I'm joined by my toddler. So then you've also got an outer sack, which if this doesn't support all the way up to the back, which it often doesn't when your babies get a little bit bigger to the back of the neck, these ones will give you that extra bit of support. So you basically do a bit of a repeat of the inner one. So you zip it up to there, and then we do the Velcro, and then the buckle. Yeah, baby's in the sling. Yeah, and then, so now trap that one underneath this baby a little bit. Just push it out, there we go. You do the zip, and then the Velcro, and then the buckle. And then your babies are in and secure. They're not going anywhere. In terms of TICS guidelines, they are nice and tight to me. know, if you lean forward, protect their little heads, they're not going anywhere. They are in view at all times. There's no material over their face. They're close enough to kiss. They've got a supported back and their chins are off their chest. So it kind of looks like that from the back and this from the front. Now, the nice thing about this is they're in 2 separate pouches. So if one was getting a little bit grumpy and you need to get them out, you can just undo that one, undo that bit, undo that bit, undo that bit, and then you could take that one baby out and do whatever you need to do with that. If you wanted to take both of them out because you'd had enough, so put that baby down safely, you would repeat the same with this one. So you would undo the buckle, undo the Velcro, undo the zip, undo the buckle, undo the Velcro, undo the zip, and then your baby's out, and you can put them down somewhere safe, and then you can take the sling off. Okay, thank you.